Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You begin on the other device. Sign into iCloud with the same Apple ID because approval links that identity to the new iPhone. Once signed in, make sure two-factor authentication is active and the approving device is unlocked. This lets it receive approval prompts. Now open Settings, tap your name, then Password and Security. This is where approval controls live. Follow the on-screen prompt to send an approval request to this device, since you need to authorize the new phone to access iCloud. When the new iPhone requests approval, your approving device shows a prompt with a 6-digit verification code. This proves you control that trusted device. Tap Allow to reveal the code, then type it into the new iPhone immediately, because codes expire quickly. If you don't see the prompt, open Settings Password and Security to trigger it, or choose Send Again. You can also get the code sent to a trusted phone number. Use that as a fallback to complete the connection between devices. Once you enter the code, signing completes and iCloud begins syncing. Make sure Contacts, Photos, and iCloud Drive are enabled if you want them. If approval fails, restart both devices and confirm Wi-Fi or cellular data, because connectivity often blocks prompts. Also check date and time settings. Mismatches can invalidate codes. If you still can't approve, use a trusted phone number to receive a code, or start Apple ID account recovery as a last resort. These steps restore access while protecting your account.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.